Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. Karnataka is set to take AI education to government schools with the launch of KEO, an AI-enabled computer developed through Karnataka State Electronics Development Corporation Limited or KEONICS. Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar launched the device on August 21st. He said the aim was to ensure that the child's access to technology does not depend on where they live. The government will initially deploy 1,000 KEO AI PCs, while 2,222 devices are planned in Phase 1 across all 31 districts and 239 taluks. The first batch of 5,000 units is ready. Priced at 19,000 rupees, KEO is designed for areas with limited internet access. Its AI system, called PUT, is trained on the Karnataka DSERT syllabus. Shivkumar said KEO would allow students to learn coding, AI, machine learning and electronics while helping teachers use AI-based learning tools. He described the project as not a pilot but a commitment and a promise. He also said the government wants to eventually take KEO to every government school in Karnataka. 2 MOUs have been signed with the Sikshana Foundation, KREIS and RSA to support the rollout. Shivkumar said the initiative would help move technology opportunities beyond Bengaluru and create a wider rural talent pool. He stressed that a child's zip code could never determine their access to technology and opportunity. He stressed that a child's zip code should never determine their access to technology and opportunity. He also urged industry and CSR organizations to support the expansion of KEO.
Artificial intelligence. And that is the proof is right here. Sir, not a single rupee has been spent by the government to build this. It has been entirely by cooperation with the corporates. It's been with the intelligence of the corporates. And today, if we are going to showcase this, I'm sure that in a couple of days, Sharat or me are going to get a call from Delhi asking what have you done and how have you done it? Can we put Made in India logo on this? But that's why we have already created a Made in Karnataka logo. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಜಾಗ್ರತವಾಗಿ Made in Karnataka ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು. So like I said, and lastly, it would be really unfair if I do not mention these names. On behalf of the government, on behalf of the department, personally, I would like to thank Mr. Chris, Mr. Prashant, Dr. Kiran and Dheeraj for taking that leap of faith. Because when we started this as a concept, trust me, a lot of industry leaders thought government is not capable of building this. But you gave us confidence, you gave us the motivation that is required and more importantly, the money that is required as well to scale up. So a big thank you from all of us for your leap of faith and more importantly, the confidence that you have shown in the government. And also I would like to take this opportunity to thank Sikshana who are going to deploy this across our Arivu Kendras, are going to deploy this across the state and also in our social welfare hostels. And I would like to assure the CM that we will leave no stone unturned in translating your vision of AI for all into reality. AI cannot remain confined to large corporations, to big institutions, to elite think tanks. It needs to get into the hands of every engineer, every creator, every innovator and every disruptor. So today what we have done is quite remarkable and we will ensure that we achieve the Honorable Chief Minister's vision of ensuring AI is for all, AI is for governance, AI responsible, AI is going to ensure that we disrupt just not governance, but also ensure that we disrupt the entire thought process of how Karnataka will be leading just not the nation, but also the world soon. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.